Dear students, welcome to Polytechnic first semester subject mathematics. So in this subject there are total 6 units. So here first, second, third and fourth. Next here fifth unit and finally sixth unit. So in the first unit there are two chapters. So first chapter is logarithms and second chapter is partial fractions. So in this video I am going to start the first chapter, that is logarithms. So first introduction. So we know we already learned the logarithms chapter in the 10th class. Okay, in the first chapter, real numbers chapter, logarithms is one of the topic. So here what is the introduction? In mathematics we use the logarithms to do the calculations easily and quickly. At first it was discovered by John Napier. So next definition of a logarithm. So here n and a be any two positive real numbers. So ఇక్కడ capital N and small a రెండు కూడా real numbers, అది కూడా positive real numbers. ఓకే, సో మనకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు రియల్ నెంబర్ అంటే రేషనల్ and irrational numbers together is called a real number. So capital N and small a both are real numbers. And one more important, here a is not equals to 1. So a అనేది not equals to 1 గా తీసుకోవాలి. So real numbers and for some real x, so x also real number, so n equals to a to the power of x. Then the index x is called a logarithm of n to the base a and it is written as a log n base a equals to x. Okay, so here n equals to a to the power of x, n equals to a to the power of x. Here index means power, x is called a logarithm of n to the base a and it is written as a log n base a equals to x. So one more important, while you defining the logarithm you should follow these conditions. So a should not equals to 1 and a is greater than 1. So see a log n base a equals to x. a అంటే బేస్ అనేది ఎప్పుడైనా గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఉండాలి అండ్ x a నాట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. నెక్స్ట్ n is greater than 0, so n also greater than 0 and n comma a both are real numbers. This is the definition of a logarithm. So next topic is types of logarithms. So there are two types of logarithms are there. First one is common logarithm, second one is natural logarithm. Common logarithm means when the logarithm with base 10 is called a common logarithm and we can write in shortcut lg x base 10. So it is called a common logarithm. Next second type is natural logarithm. Logarithm with base e is called a natural logarithm and we can write in shortcut ln base x, ln x base e. So here e nothing but irrational number. So e గురించి నేను తర్వాత చెప్తాను ఏంటి e అంటే. So there are two types of logarithms, common and natural. When the base is 10 it is common logarithm, when the base is e then it is called a natural logarithm. So next exponential form and logarithmic form. See x equals to a to the power of n is called a exponential form. సో దీన్ని మనము లాగరిథం ఫామ్లోకి ఎలా రాస్తామంటే log a here log n base a log x base a equals to n is called a logarithmic form. Next important point is logarithms only defined for positive real number, not for negative real numbers and 0. So logarithms defined only for positive real numbers, not for negative real numbers and 0. So next topic is laws of logarithms. So these all formulas you already learned in the 10th class. See a log m n base a equals to log m base a plus log n. Log m by n equals to log m minus log n log m to the power of n equals to n log m. So next one here, fourth one is a new formula for you. So log x base a is equals to, see here, log x base a is equals to, we can write the log x base a as a product of other two logarithms. How it is possible? Observe it carefully. Here x as it is, next here b into log b base a. See ikkada manaki ivi rendu same ravali deenlo laga. So ikkada rendu same unnai. So kabatti log x base a equals to log x base b into log b base a. So what is the name of this rule? Rule for change of the base. Okay. Next, otherwise log m base a equals to log m base b into log b base a. So change of the base rule. So both are same rules. Okay. Next to a to the power of log m base a to the power of log m base a. So a log a cancel, so m. So it is also one of the logarithm formula. Next here log a base b can written as a in the fraction form. Log a base b equals to log a by log b. Okay. So log a divided by log b. Next to log a base b equals to 1 by, see ikkada ఏమైంది మనకి నెంబర్ బేస్ అనేటి రివర్స్ అయిపోయినాయి ఇక్కడ. సో log a base b equals to 1 by log b base a. Okay. Next eighth one, log m base a to the power of n equals to 1 by n log m base a. So you know already in the 10th class, and 9th one also you know very well. Okay. So along these laws of logarithms, you should remember one more, log 0 base a. So actually 10th class lo log 0 base a undefined అని రాశాము, but here log 0 base a value can define in the two ways. When a is greater than 1, a means base of a logarithm is greater than 1, then log 0 base a will become minus infinity. Next, if 0 less than a less than 1, a means what? Base of a logarithm. If 0 less than a less than 1, then the same log 0 base a answer is plus infinity. Okay. So next topic is logarithmic function. So let a is not equals to 1 be a positive real number. So a is a positive real number. Then the function, so what is the name of the function here? F. So the function is defined from open bracket 0 comma 8 to r means real number, defined by f of x equals to log x base a is called a logarithmic function. So that means f of x nothing but here f of x means y. So at the place of f of x you can write y also. So y equals to log x base a is called a logarithmic function. So that means, so from 0 to infinity, taken the element and substituted in the logarithm, then the answer will be equals to real number. Okay. So that is the meaning of here f from 0 to infinity to r. So next one is its domain. Domain means the elements taken from the particular boundary is called a domain. So we are taking the elements from the 0 to infinity. No? So 0 to infinity, 0 comma infinity is called a domain, and when you substituting those elements in the particular function and you got the answer, it is called a range. So r is called a range. So and the graph of this logarithmic function is, here he gave the two graphs. Okay. So it is a graph for same y equals to log x base a, but the condition is a greater than 1. So a అనేది బేస్ అనేది గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు లాగరిథమిక్ ఫంక్షన్ గ్రాఫ్ ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. మరి అదే ఏ లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు, సో బేస్ అనేది ఏ లెస్ దాన్ 1 ఉన్నప్పుడు, సో ద గ్రాఫ్ ఆఫ్ లాగరిథమ్ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. ఓకే. సో నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఈ? సో ఈ మీన్స్ ద నెంబర్ ఈ ఈజ్ గివెన్ బై, సో ఈ డిఫైన్డ్ లైక్ దిస్, లిమిట్ n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n all to the power of n. See here, limit n tends to infinity. See, for example, limit n tends to 2 equals to x square is there. Just you have to here limit n tends to 2, n square is there. Just substitute n equals to 2 in this, so 2 square equals to 4. So what is the meaning of limit? When n reaches near to 2, then n square reaches to 4. Okay, and this limit n tends to infinity can write in another form, that is 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial. What is the meaning of factorial? See here, 1 factorial means 1, 2 factorial means 2 into 1 equals to 2, 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 6, 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 24, 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 it is equals to 120, so dash. So this is the meaning of factorial. Okay, so now coming to the number e is an irrational number which lies between 2 and 3 and its approximate value is e equals to 2.718281828. See here, irrational number, so that means it is not a terminating, not a non-terminating repeating decimal. So its approximate value taken here, that's it. So but e is a irrational number only. So here approximate value 2.718281828. Next topic, exponential function. See, the functions of the forms a to the power of x, e to the power of x, a to the power of f of x, e to the power of f of x are called exponential functions. Okay, so here the graph of exponential functions are, here y equals to e to the power of x is a one exponential function. We know very well how to draw the graph. We need to take x value, y values and locate the ordered pairs in the graph. So finally the graph of exponential function is here. Okay, next topic, exponential series. See, if x is any real number, then e to the power of x equals to 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus dash is called a exponential series. So from this series, if you substituting x equals to minus x, see what will happen? See, 1 plus substitute x equals to minus x, so minus x by 1 factorial, next plus minus x whole square by 2 factorial plus minus x whole cube by 3 factorial plus dash. See here, minus x whole square will become plus x square. So here finally the answer is e to the power of x equals to 1 minus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus dash infinity. So the original exponential series, take it as a 1 and this is as a equation 2. If you adding the both equations, so finally 1 by 2 of e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x equals to, so here you will get the final answer. It is equals to cos hx, and if you subtracting the same equations, we will get different answer, that is 1 by 2 of e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x equals to x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial plus dash equals to sin hx. Okay, so this is the graph of e to the power of minus x. Okay, and previous graph is, it is a graph of e to the power of x. Observe the direction of the two graphs. So the next topic is properties of a exponential functions. See, e to the power of 0 answer is 1, that is the first property, and if m comma n are real numbers, okay, and m is less than n, then e to the power of m value also less than e to the power of n. Next, e to the power of m into e to the power of n equals to e to the power of m plus n for all, this is a symbol for all, m comma n belongs to R. Next, e to the power of m by e to the power of n equals to e to the power of m minus n, and e to the power of m whole to the power of n equals to e to the power of m into n. So dear students, let's start the exercise. So in the exercise, first bit is find the value of first question log 25 base 5. So to find its value, very simple, here 25 ni manam factorization cheyali. So 5 is a 25. So log 25 means 5 square base 5. Here we can apply one formula, log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m equals to m log a. So then 2 log 5. It is equals to 2 into, here logarithm of a number and its a base both are same. So its answer is 1. So log 25 base 5 answer is 2. Next second question. So ikkada manaki second lo 2 questions ichi, log 27 base 3 and log 3 base 27. See log 27 base 3, here 27 manaki 3 table vastayi kada, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So 27 can write as a 3 cube base 3. Same, log a to the power of m equals to m log a. So it is equals to 3 into log 3 base 3 answer is 1. So log 27 base 3 answer is 3. Next to B question, log 3 base 27. See log 3 27 can write as a 3 cube. Na? So here power, that means index is for base. So index base kunnappudu 1 by 3 vastadi. So log 3 base 3. So then 1 by 3 into 1 equals to 1 by 3. Next third problem, log 256 base 4. See here base is 4 na, so let's do factorization only in the 4 table, because here 4 given, that is why I am trying to do factorization in 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, remainder 1, 4 4s are 16. Next again 4 table, 4 ones are 4, remainder 2, 4 6 are, next again 4 table, 4 4s are 16. So log 256 can write as a 4 to the power of 4 base 4. So same like a previous questions. So answer is 4. Next fourth question, log 1000 base 10. See here 1000 base 10 given, so that is why you should try to do factorization in only 10 table. See here 10 ones are 10 and next 2 zeros, again 10 ones are 10, next 0. Now so finally log 1000 can write as a 10 cube. So here base 10. So 3 into log 10 base 10. So 3 into 1 equals to 3. So next fifth problem, log 8 base 2. See here 8, here 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So log 8 can write as a 2 cube base 2. So 3 log 2 base 2. So 3 into 1 equals to 3. Next sixth question, log 2 base 8. So here log 2 base 8. Base 8 means 2 cube. See here exponent given for base. So then 1 by 3 will come. So log 2 base 2. So 1 by 3 into 1 equals to 1 by 3. Next seventh one, log 32 base 2. See here 32, write in the 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2 4s are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So then log 32 means how many 2s? 2 to the power of 5 base 2. So 5 log 2 base 2 equals to 5 into 1. So it is equals to 5. Next eighth one, log 625 base 5. See here 625 in 5 table. See 5 ones are 5, 1 reminder, 5 twos are 10, 2 reminder, 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. So here 5 fives are 25. So log 625 means 5 to the power of 4 base 5. So then 4 log 5 base 5, it is equals to 4 into 1, it is equals to 4. Next to ninth question, log 343 base root 7. See here base is root 7. Anyhow, let's do factorization in 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 7 fours are 28. Remainder is 6. 6. Next 7 nines are 63. So 7 sevens are 49. So log 343 means 7 cube root 7. See here actually we need a same base like 7, but here root 7. So what I am doing here, two methods are there to simplify this. 7 I am writing as a log 7 cube. 7 I am root 7 I am writing as a 7 to the power of 1 by 2. See what happened here, exponent at two places. So this exponent will go to numerator place and this exponential will go to denominator place. So finally log 7 base 7. So it is equals to 3 by 1 by 2 means 3 into 2 by 1 into log 7 base 7, answer is how much? 1. So 3 2s are 6. So otherwise second method is 7 cube I am writing as a root 7 whole to the power of 6 base root 7. See root 7 whole to the power of 6 answer. Let's simplify. See 7 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So 2 ones are 2 threes are. So again we got 7 cube. So now this 6 can write as a in front of logarithm. So root 7 base root 7. So answer is 6. Next to last problem in the first bit, that is 10th one. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So here base is 2 by 3. So here log 8 can write as a 2 cube. 27 3 cube base 2 by 3. So it is equals to log 2 cube by 3 cube means 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. So 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So it is equals to 3 into 1. It is equals to 3. So first bit problems completed. So I will explain remaining problems in the next video. Thank you.